Where you take me this morning then?
Boscastle.
Boscastle, North Devon.
We're hoping to walk it.
Are we? Are we walking the roadway?
No, we're walking the coastal pathway.
The coastal path. Oh, that'd be nice. Alright, and we'll follow. Oh, mind you don't slip. It's a long way down.
Good start.
And we're going to be up and down and along the coastal path, and it's quite nice. The weather's turned out fine-ish.
Yeah, rain showers and cloud.
Yeah. Let's see how we get on. Boscastle's pretty.
See you later.
So we just left the caravan site there, and Joe's behind me. Morning, Joe.
Morning.
And we're heading down.
Nerve-wracking experience.
Yes. Hopefully there's not too many styles this time. Hey, Joe.
Yeah, too true, mate.
Right, we're going to go down this little path here, and you can see not much of a view. It's actually quite spectacular. Difficult to get perspective here, but there are a few people on the hill on the opposite side of the valley there. Don't know if we can zoom in and just catch a lady with a white shirt there. Absolutely stunning. The girls are getting ahead, so we'll carry on with the walk.
Oh, I'm going to cut across there, look.
Wrong colour jeans on, really. Yeah.
Well, the helicopter's been backwards and forwards a few times this morning. It's Sunday, so they're clearly patrolling. There's a lot of people out there playing about in boats, and the Cornish coast is renowned for its tidal currents, and it's quite treacherous, but the weather's good, which encourages people out, of course, and so they're up in the sky, they're patrolling.
I can hear it, yeah.
The sky's clearing out now, and we can see for miles. We're looking across several bays in front of us here now and behind, and in one of these valleys is Boscastle. quite amazing. We used to do some of these coastal walks when Sue and I were first together about 40 odd years ago, and the most important thing to take with us was a drink and a camera, and that would have been an old camera with a probably 110 or 126 cartridge of film in that you would have to post to the lab, and you wait about 10 days for it to come back. Some of the labs did a 48-hour return and you had to pay a bit extra for it, but that was 40 years ago. I've now got behind the crowd. The other three walkers are in front of me because I stopped to do a tweet. Isn't it amazing that we're miles from anywhere on the coast, southwest coast of England, and we've got 4G signal and I can tweet to anyone in the world? For an old boy like me, that is mind-blowing. To a young person, it's normal. Have a look at the view I've got now. I'm enjoying this. Can you tell?
Not easy.
Now we can see Boscastle in the distance with the tower. Just looking back the other way here, and Joe pointed out the old farmhouse up on the top of the hill here, and the way that the trees are all bent over, so quite clearly the winds are pushing those trees over, and that's the way they grow. Heading down a slippery path here, down into the valley before we start climbing again to Boscastle.
I'm going to sit on this bench. What do you
Yeah,
think,
go on
Joe?
in. Yeah, have a little break. We need one. Yeah, we need a little break. We've climbed a lot of steps there.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Yeah, that's lovely.
Nice bench.
Yeah. Fresh air bench, that's called.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good for your size.
Yeah, you stay there for a little while. See how long you can sit on it for.
Not for very long.
Got to sit on a bench, Joe?
Yeah.
Let's see what Joe does.
Alright, there you go. Can't get down there?
Are you going to buy me a cup of tea when we get there?
Little bit of drama up ahead, isn't there?
Yeah. We're in the park.
Keep walking. Come on, keep walking.
I'm trying to, but she's down to dirt. It's supposed to. Come in.
was a couple of steep staircases there that I didn't film because they were a little treacherous, but we made them up there, and now I'm just looking across at the Boscastle, and once we come round this next corner we'll be able to see the valley that flooded about 10 years ago and washed away all the cars and many of the properties in freak conditions. But it's all been rebuilt, and stories have been told over the years of bravery and so on. But we're getting to the point here where we should be able to see right round the corner to Boscastle, the town itself.
She's got the rocks in the background as well. They're very, very cleverly done. Very professional.
It's true. I like that one. That's nice.
Well, we've just come down from the hill where the lookout point is at Boscastle, and we're now going to walk round a corner, down the path round the corner to the town. What do you think of that? The views were lovely, weren't they?
Spectacular.
Yeah.
If you turn the camera around, you can show everybody.
To show you
We've got
the
in
way
front
we're
of
going.
us.
Yeah, I mean everywhere
I love Boscastle.
we are here, there's views. It's Sunday, so there's
Craggy rocks.
a lot of people taking the day to walk this coastal path, and it is just beautiful.
You need substantial boots.
Good boots and a good pair of legs.
And we've walked past some cows.
We have.
Yeah, Sophie was a bit of a pain.
Yeah, we had to.
She went ballistic.
You had to manage things through past the cows. They'd come out of a field onto the walkway onto the coastal path where they shouldn't be. But a little further to go, and hopefully we can get a cup of tea in the town of Boscastle.
And a cake.
A cake? Oh, and a cake. What does that remind you of?
A lizard. It's got a little... Yeah. That's like a fish, the other one.
Yeah. Good imagination. So, we have an old family saying, it's just around the corner. She's getting upset because Mummy's gone ahead. Probably. Go. Well, we've come at a little cafe and having some refreshments, so let's see what we got. So what you got, Sue?
Decaf tea.
Decaf tea and
Carrot cake.
a piece of carrot cake.
Cake.
And Sheila's got a
Lemon and ginger
tea and carrot cake. Joe?
Ordinary tea and carrot cake.
Ordinary tea and carrot cake. You got the biggest bit of cake, mate?
Huh?
You got the biggest bit of cake?
No, I look like the smallest.
You got the smallest, that's good then. And I'm going to have a bag of crisps because I'm gluten-free, and I've got green tea as well. Well, we made it to the town, little town of Boscastle. Very, very pretty little town. And we've got the long walk back along the coastal path now. It's about 3 miles. But we're going to have a little look around a few shops in Boscastle, spend a little bit of money, and then make our way back. So until next time, bye bye for now.